Want to turn a jumbled mess of addresses into a stunning, insightful Tableau map? First, let's connect Tableau to your data source, like an Excel sheet or a CSV file containing your address data. Make sure your data includes at least an address number. Drag and drop your data onto the canvas. Now, the magic happens. We're going to create calculated fields to get our latitude and longitude. To do this, click the drop-down on the left of the data pane and choose Create Calculated Field. While Tableau can recognize certain geographic roles automatically, to get the most accurate longitude from your address number, you may need to utilize an external geocoding service or API. There are many free options. Or you can use tools like Google Maps platform for more robust features. These services take addresses and convert them into coordinates. The one you choose will require a calculation to input the correct data for the service to analyze. Input the Geocoding Service's formula and call the field longitude. Repeat the process and input the Geocoding Service's formula and call the field latitude. Now, tell Tableau these are geographic fields. Right-click on your latitude field, go to Geographic Role, and select latitude. Do the same for your longitude field, selecting longitude as the geographic role. Finally, drag your newly assigned latitude and longitude fields onto the canvas. Tableau will automatically create a map. You can now customize the map with different marks, colors, and sizes based on other dimensions in your data, and that's it. You've successfully transformed address data into an interactive map in Tableau. Explore your data, gain insights, and create powerful visualizations. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Tableau tips and tricks.